Calabar High is represented by Jonte Jackson, Kevon Latouche, Carl Smith, and Tayon Hughes. St. Catherine High is represented by LaShawn Jackson, Omarion Green, Michaela Davis, and Javane Hammond. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round one action in TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2026. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and St. Catherine High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with St. Catherine High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. St. Catherine, we begin with biology. Which is the primary hormone that controls water balance in the human body?
Antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone.
Correct. Calabar, biology. What is the primary hormone responsible for sleep in humans?
Melatonin.
Yeah.
Melatonin.
Correct. International affairs for St. Catherine. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Delcy Rodriguez. Delcy Rodriguez.
Incorrect. Mette Frederiksen, PM of Denmark. And international affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Jonas Castor.
Jonas Castor.
Good.
Incorrect. Kyriakos Mitsotakis, PM of Greece. English language. Using the word oil, this is for St. Catherine, give an idiom which means to work late into the night.
To burn the midnight oil. To burn the midnight oil.
Correct. English language for Calabar. If you take a friend to lunch and tell her it is a go Dutch affair, what do you mean?
So to be polite. So
To be neutral about it.
To be neutral about it.
No, you're going to split the bill, split the costs. General knowledge for St. Catherine. What is the name of the substance that gives turmeric its yellow color?
Bilirubin. Bilirubin.
Incorrect. Curcumin. General knowledge for Calabar. What is the name of the largest species of penguins?
King penguin.
Incorrect. Emperor penguin. Music for St. Catherine. Listen to the clip, identify the singer.
My score is.
We are here for you. Come into
No man. CC Winans. CC Winans.
Incorrect. Tasha Cobbs Leonard. Music for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and to give the name of the singer.
it's possible by the power of the Holy Ghost. A new
CC Winans.
Correct. Geography for St. Catherine. What type of river drainage pattern resembles the branches of a tree?
Dendritic. Dendritic.
Correct. Geography for Calabar. Jamaica is located on the boundary between the Gonave microplate and what other tectonic plate?
So Congo, Caribbean plate.
Caribbean plate.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for St. Catherine. Look at the monitor, identify this actor.
Brendan Fraser. Brendan Fraser.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor, identify this actor.
All right, so James.
Jake Gyllenhaal.
Incorrect. Colin Farrell. St. Catherine chemistry. Milk sours when left unrefrigerated. What is the acid formed?
Lactic acid. Lactic acid.
Correct. Calabar, chemistry. Specifically, what is the main process used to separate and collect nitrogen from air?
Nitrogen fixation, no?
Nitrogen fixation.
Nitrogen fixation.
Incorrect. Cryogenic distillation or fractional distillation. Sports for St. Catherine. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Ademola Lukman. Ademola Lukman.
Correct. Calabar, sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Brian Diaz.
Brian Diaz.
Correct. Mathematics. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Calabar High on 4, St. Catherine High on 6. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 57 returns after these messages.